Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Law offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with sexual abuse between two minors. Let's see here. Let's see, I separated 7 years ago from my wife, and I got the custody of my son. Now he is 9 years old. One day, when left alone, he hurt with his fingers the intimate parts, so I see, of my 5-year-old daughter. So it's a sexual abuse case. That's what the question said. My new girlfriend called the police. Well, on who? I mean, wait a minute, because here in the state of California, nowadays, it was a little bit different years ago, but nowadays, here in the state of California, if you're under 12 years of age, you're not going to get accused of a crime. You're not going to get sent to juvenile court, not under the age of 12. 12 and above, you might have a problem, but we're talking about a 9-year-old here. So there won't be any problems for that 9-year-old. However, dad and girlfriend, the one who called, could have a problem. Because let's say dad and girlfriend were the ones, because of the custody issue, they were the ones responsible for taking care of both children. Well, theoretically, if they're leaving these two kids alone, there could be potential for them to be charged with a violation of Penal Code Section 272 here in the state of California, which is a misdemeanor, which carries up to 1 year in county jail, which is contributing to the delinquency of the minor, hence the 9-year-old. Now, there's another charge that could be brought forth if the DA gets a little creative, which would be a violation of Penal Code Section 273A, parentheses A, which is not child cruelty, but putting a child in danger, the little girl. This would be a felony that carries up to 6 years in state prison. Now, what's really the real issue here is, why were these two children left alone at home? Why would you leave a 9 and a 5-year-old alone? I understand if maybe there was a 15-year-old there watching, or a babysitter, somebody like that, but you leave a 9 and a 5-year-old by themselves at home. Yeah, nowadays in 2020, you just don't do that. And there's definitely going to be a negligence issue here, but since we have duty breach causation and actual damages. So, but in reality, I would have to say that there could be a real serious situation where the parents, including the person who called the police, could be charged with a 273A paren A, which is very serious. It carries up to 2 to 6 years in state prison, and really, you might think that this is a situation where the 9-year-old, the one who touched the little girl, would be the one who may potentially get in trouble, but no, it's going to be dad and girlfriend here. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Law offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who is looking to expunge strikes on his record. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.